Hey guys, welcome to Lux Lover. Today I have a quick and exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing for you all. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I added to the collection. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, I hope you'd consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me go ahead and open up the box. And as you guys can see, there's a multitude of dust bags in here. I'm sure some of you guys will be shocked to see what I added to my collection. In fact, I myself was actually shocked that I wanted to add this piece to my collection. So it was added on my wish list for a short period of time when I noticed that Louis Vuitton launched this piece. I'm going to keep you guys in suspense. So here is the very first dust bag. So let's go ahead and open her up. And I'm so excited, guys, because I literally just received this. So this is the first time I'm seeing this piece with you guys on camera. Here is the first piece, and you guys can already guess what I picked up to reveal the multi-pochette accessoire in the empreinte leather and the color cream. So this is the smallest pouch out of the two. At the front, you have the Louis Vuitton Paris tab. Here's a top view, and it features a zippered opening and closure. And oh my goodness, guys, look at the interior. So it opens up to a beautiful, soft beige microfiber lining. And this particular piece was made in Spain. Here is the second dust bag. And here's a look at the largest pouch of the two. So same thing, the exterior is very similar to the smaller pouch. Love the fact that the largest pouch has the slip pocket just like the classic pochette accessoire. I don't like the multi-pochette and the coated canvas print. However, there's just something about the empreinte leather version that made my heart sing. Now, I know this cream color is not everyone's cup of tea. The multi-pochette accessoire is available in this beautiful cream color or in the color black. And the reason why I went for the color cream, I know it's a color that is prone to color transfer, but since I don't wear much dark colored clothing, I'm not worried about that. I chose the color cream because when I took an inventory of the bags that I have in my collection, I have so many monogram coated canvas bags as well as damier ebene and damier azur. And I realized a couple of things. First of all, I don't have any plain white or cream handbags. I know a couple of videos ago I shared with you guys I found purse piece. I'm content with my bag collection. I am still content with my bag collection. So if I have a similar item in my collection that is in canvas, what I decided that I'm going to do is perhaps sell it so that I can either get a black handbag or a different colored handbag, because I would like to have some variety and color to my collection. Now, when it comes to the multi-pochette, I own it in all three canvas prints. I am not planning on selling those bags because number one, they are hard to find, and number two, I truly and genuinely enjoy using them, so there's no need for me to sell them. But I wanted something different, and I'm so happy with this, guys. And the main reason why I don't like the multi-pochette and the coated canvas print and never felt the need to add it, number one, I already have the pochette accessoire, and number two, I just prefer the look of this bag. I'm going to go ahead and show you the chain that it comes with. I feel that this is a bag that you can easily transition from day to night. This has a completely different look and feel than the coated canvas version. And what I love about this bag, and as well as the coated canvas version, is the fact that you can wear them together or separately. I do plan on wearing them separately as well as together. So let me go ahead and place them together so that you can get a better view of the bag. So the first strap is an all leather adjustable strap, and you have the Louis Vuitton logo engraved at the bottom. And it's very easy to adjust the strap so that you can wear it as a crossbody bag. So you just unsnap one end, the opposite end. Once you unsnap them, you're able to hook them at the top, have a longer strap so that you can rock it crossbody. The second chain that come with this bag, this was another reason why I fell in love with this version instead of the canvas version. This is a game changer when it comes to the multi-pochette and the empreinte collection. Guys, I definitely recommend, if you can get your hands on it, do not sleep on this bag. I love the fact that the chain is also removable. Those of you that own the multi-pochette accessoire and the monogram print, you know that unfortunately you're unable to remove the beautiful gold chain that comes on the smaller pouch. So to me, this is a game changer. It's an upgrade because I can easily remove this and utilize it on either pochette, the larger one or the smallest one, or I could also utilize this on a different bag. Now, look at how gorgeous this particular strap looks on the smaller pouch. Love the fact that you can easily transition this pouch from day to night. And this is also a bag that I plan on taking with me to weddings or any special events that I have going on. This would be perfect. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to go for the cream color. Here's a look at the full leather strap on the largest pouch. So I love the fact that you can wear it shoulder style, or you can make the strap longer to wear it as a cross body. So look at both of the bags combined together. I also love this look. For some reason, I don't care for this look when it comes to the canvas version, but there's just something about the empreinte version that makes my heart sing. I think it looks elegant. It's very classy. So far, just by holding it, it feels very lightweight. Now, I know I don't have any contents inside of the bag at the moment, but I will definitely come back on and show you what you can actually fit and share with you guys if the bag gets heavy when you start adding your contents into it. But I love the feel of the leather, and oh my goodness, guys, you guys should smell this leather. It smells divine. Quick look at the back of the bag. So unlike the front, you don't have that leather tab. And here is a side view with the subtle imprint of the fleur-de-lis. So that concludes my exciting Louis Vuitton reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I added to my collection and why I decided to go for the empreinte multi-pochette instead of the coated canvas version. Again, as I mentioned, this is a fabulous bag. If you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. This is such a great bag that's going to transition from day to night. It's timeless, and I don't see this bag ever going out of style. I know it's a little bit trendy because of the fact that you can join them together, but as I showed you guys earlier, you can wear them separately. So to me, it's definitely worth the cost for a full-on leather bag, unlike the monogram version that is primarily made of coated canvas. And the major difference between the empreinte version and the coated canvas version is the fact that it does not include a round coin purse, but that doesn't bother me. Honestly, guys, I have so many round coin purses in my collection. I currently have 3. So I don't necessarily feel the need to own one in the empreinte version. So to some, it may be a little bit of a ripoff because of the fact that you're paying a little bit more and you're getting less. But just keep in mind that you're getting a full-on leather bag that's going to last you a long time because Louis Vuitton's empreinte leather is very durable. So that is it, guys. As always, I thank you so much for tuning in to Lux of Paris, and I will chat with you guys in my next video. We dance.